Hi guys, how you doing? Just want to give a quick shout out for John Castani's Internet Jet Set program. So far, what I've seen is just absolutely amazing. It's just wow. The modules are very informative. The information a lot of this stuff I've never experienced or seen, and after um just being in the course for a short period of time, John said I would be able to make my first commission, which I did in 2 hours. I can't believe it. So I'm really excited about that. And I wanted to say that anybody who has been spinning the wheels like I have been for a few years, and yeah, I sure have made some money, but not steady. And this has given me the the inspiration, the strength, and a lot of things, mindset, especially mindset, uh, to go forward and finally, start earning what I call a consistent income. And I know a lot of you are into that, or are there now. And I urge you to join join us on Internet Jet Set and learn how to really effectively market where you can generate 10,000 to 100,000 or more per month. Thanks, guys. I want to thank you for everything, and let's go knock it out. Have a great day. Bye now.
Hey everyone, my name is Jonas, and I just want to post a quick testimonial for Internet Jet Set by John Cristani. So there's a module in that course where John says that you're going to make your first commissions within 2 hours, and I thought that seemed a little bit too fast, but I decided to try it anyway. And I'm not sure if it took exactly 2 hours. I didn't look until roughly 8 or 10 hours later, but I did make 2 sales, so that's awesome. So, John, thank you. I've been through the rest of the course as well, where you cover Google, so that's SEO, and YouTube SEO, and Facebook, and it's an awesome course. So to anyone thinking about getting this course, do it. John knows what he's talking about, and if you're still looking for that first sale online, you can make it very, very quickly. And as John says as well, it's not going to make you rich from these sales that you're going to get within 2 or 4 or 6 hours, but it's going to be your first couple of sales, and that's very important for you to get hyped up and understand that internet marketing actually works. So again, thank you, John. Great course. I'm looking forward to
I don't know how
learning more
you
from you.
found this
Thanks.
private video, but welcome. What if I told you that no matter what your age, skills, or experience, you could make money every day from the internet by exploiting a controversial $480 million industry through the power of revolutionary robot technology? It's 100% legal, and it's not what you think. I guarantee this is completely new and unseen. This automated software is so shockingly consistent, it's churned out profit for us every single day over the last 336 days. Let me repeat that. We made money every single day over the last 336 days with our secret robot technology. It's so simple to make money with our robot. You can start using it today in under 6 minutes and 14 clicks. But only if you qualify for a free license to use our secret software. A software which will build you a done-for-you website loaded with our revolutionary robot technology in under 6 minutes and 14 clicks. It's a point-and-click software app designed to make fast money from affiliate marketing. Hey, I'm Samantha Smith, and I'm a spokesperson for AutoChat Profits. Now, you might be thinking this sounds like crazy hype, so I'm going to prove to you in a live demo that this could literally be the only set-and-forget software on the internet which actually makes money. Then, at the end of this short video, I'll give you a free license to use our software. That's right, you'll have the chance to use our software for free. It's so simple to make money with our software. You can start using it today in under 6 minutes and 14 clicks. So, keep on watching to the end of this short video, or you'll be sick to your stomach later. Now, you might think this sounds too good to be true. So, before we go any further, I want to prove to you that we know how to make money from the internet. Insane stacks of cash. I need to warn you though, what I'm about to show you will shock you. Here's one of our affiliate accounts. The paychecks I'm about to show you are all commission money paid to us as affiliates. Look here, you can see we're on the page showing our paychecks. We get paid almost every week into our bank account. Here you can see the date the money was sent to us and how much was deposited into our account. This shows that the payment has been processed. This is how much we're getting paid week after week, all from affiliate marketing. I'm not showing you this confidential information to brag, but to prove to you that we know the secret to make consistent money week in, week out, so you can trust us. Look at this paycheck for just 1 week. Do you know anyone who makes money like this in 1 week? Imagine how amazing it would feel to get paid this much money for 1 week of work. Again, I'm not showing you this private information to show off. I'm sharing this live video proof with you to prove that we know the secret to make consistent money every week from the internet. Here's another monster paycheck. Most people don't even make this in a year, let alone a week. I could carry on, but I want to show you one of our other accounts. Give me a second while I log in. Look here, this is how much money we're making every week. Look at how much money we make every day. It's shockingly consistent money, day in, day out. Take a look at how much money we make in a month. You need to know insider secrets to pull in money like this every month. I'm 100% confident that you, yes, you can make money too. You could make stacks of cash every day from the comfort of your own home. All you need is the right software, something which actually works. If you manage to get a free license to use our point-and-click software, you could get started today in under 6 minutes and 14 clicks. Now, you might be wondering, why are we doing this? Why are we giving away our most valuable money-making software for free? Well, this isn't charity. We're doing this because we want you to partner with us. As partners, we'll help you and you'll help us. With our partnership, we make a small commission for every affiliate sale you make. It's a nice little income for us, but don't worry, that money will never come out of your pocket. It's a win-win for both of us. We only make money when you make money. That's why we'll do everything in our power to get you making consistent money day in, day out. Now, here's the thing. We need to partner with the right kind of person, otherwise we're wasting our time. To partner with us, you need to meet 2 conditions. Condition 1, if you're the kind of person who will claim a free license and never actually use the software, then click away from this video. Do it right now. This isn't for you. Condition 2, if you're already making $100,000 a year or more from the internet, this isn't for you. Let someone else take your spot, someone who really needs this. This is a simple point-and-click software designed for beginners or for people who've tried to make money online before and failed. So, if you pass both of those conditions, congratulations, you qualify for a free license. Make sure you keep on watching until the end of this short video. Now, you might be wondering, how can you trust us with 100% confidence that this can make you consistent money every day? After all, the internet's full of scams and false promises. So, we decided to do something that proves beyond any doubt that our software, Auto Chat Profits, could make you insane amounts of money. So, right now we're going to do a live demo of the software. Do not miss this. The results will shock you. Okay, so let me log into the software. If you're lucky enough to claim a free license, you'll get your own login. Okay, we're in. Look here. You click this button here to set up your own robot website. You can build your own website in only 3 simple steps. Before we do that, I want you to note the time. Look here. Right now it's 4:34 p.m. Make sure you note the time. I guarantee that in less than 6 minutes, our software can build you a brand new done-for-you robot site. It's crazy fast. So, let's go back to the steps. And let's click ClickBank Setup. The first part is so simple. All you do is sign up for a free account with ClickBank. ClickBank's a huge corporation. They've processed over $1 billion in sales. They'll pay you any affiliate commission you earn. It's like filling in any simple form. You enter some basic personal information, things like your name and your address. Then you click onto the next step and enter your banking information. You need to fill this in so you can get paid. Then finally, you enter your account nickname and password. I'll use AutoCash00 for the account nickname. You can use whatever nickname you want. Enter a password and then click Create Account. And that's it. Then go back to the software and type your ClickBank nickname into it. It's easy. Next, it's step 2. Here you choose a name for your website. You don't even have to think of one. Just choose one of our expert recommendations from the list. It's so simple. And finally, you sign up to an email service. I'll explain why you do that in a second. Once you're signed up with them, your final step is to copy and paste a piece of text. You'll find it in your email service account. You copy and paste it into here. Don't worry about this. It's so simple, I bet even an 8-year-old could do it. We walk you through it on this video. I'll copy and paste some text from my own personal email service account for now. All I do is copy and paste. That's it. Okay, so we're all done now. Let's leave the software working in the background. And while it builds our done-for-you website complete with our revolutionary robot technology, let me explain exactly how this makes us money. So, as I mentioned earlier, we make money from affiliate marketing. Did you know that by 2020 the affiliate marketing industry is estimated to be worth $6.8 billion a year? Retail giants like Amazon pay out millions every year to their affiliates. As an affiliate, your job is to find people who want to buy a product and send them to a website which sells that product. When those people buy, you get paid commission. It's that simple. You don't have to develop or supply the products. That's the job of the website you send people to. Some websites will pay you 75% commission on the price of the product. That's insanely high. Okay, so you might have heard that making money online is easy. Maybe you could become a millionaire within a month. Yeah, right. Anyone who promises you that is a shameless scammer. The truth is that most people who try to make money online fail. We know what it feels like to fail. We know how much it hurts. It's not your fault. To make consistent money, you need to have the right tools and you need the secret shortcuts. After 9 years of experience as affiliates, we have the tools which actually work, and we know the secret shortcuts. That's how we make consistent money like this every single week. If you're a beginner, you face 3 challenges. Challenge 1, how do you build a website which can actually make you money? Solution, our software, AutoChat Profits, will build you the website you need, complete with our revolutionary robot technology. You can start using it today, in under 6 minutes and 14 clicks. It's so simple, but proven to make money. Challenge 2, how do you find websites which sell great products? Products which you can sell as an affiliate and make you the most commission money. Solution, our software uses a secret algorithm to find the websites with the best products. It does all the hard work for you, so you have an easy shortcut to the highest commission payouts. Challenge 3. How do you find people to buy products from those websites? Solution, we will hold your hand and give you a proven step-by-step method to send thousands of people to those websites and convert them into consistent money. It's so simple to make money with our robot. You can start using it today, in under 6 minutes and 14 clicks. Even a